Hey y'all, I'm Casey, and I want to talk about how amazing it is to know that everyone is smart at something. This year, I moved to a new school. It was very different. I felt lost and I didn't know anyone. I didn't feel confident, and I started to think that maybe I wasn't very smart. But all that changed a few days later when my grandpa invited my class to take a field trip to his ranch. I love my grandpa's ranch. I've helped care for the animals there ever since I can remember. During our field trip, I noticed that I was the only one who felt confident around the animals. I was also the only one who knew care for them. I decided to use my teamwork super skill to show my new class how to feed the horses and how to clean up the goat pens. Everyone was cheering for me. It made me feel good and reminded me that I am smart too. I know how to help out with all kinds of things on the ranch. And if I could be smart at that, I could be smart at whatever I put my mind to. Remember, everyone is smart at something. What kinds of things are you smart at?